So you might have come across quite a few different terms, things like inner world, outer world, or things like so within, so without, or even as above, so below. So I'm going to explore some of these and then try and put into some kind of context from a personal experience. So as within, so without is the expression which is considered to be a universal truth or law, which shows us that our outside world is a reflection of our inner world. So what we feel and what we believe have a tendency to manifest in our lives. As above, so below. So as above, the heavens, the universe, the grand organising design, those patterns and laws within the universe is also mirrored in the world around us. And another term is the micro and the macro, the microcosmic orbit and the macro. So it's like the small and the big. So it could be me as an individual, the micro, and the universe as a macro. So the small and the large, having those kinds of, as I said, the as above, so below, that same kind of out there, that universal law is actually represented on that smaller scale as well. To try and put this into context, a few weeks ago I was on a class where the meditation was exploring what eternity is. So, and within the context of eternity, was also reminded of what energy was. So, energy is something that can't be created or destroyed, and also that energy has always existed and it has always been here. So what was guided to meditate on is that this is eternity, that everything is expressing as eternity. All particles in creation have that memory of eternity. So I go into meditation thinking, okay, so energy can't be created or destroyed. It's always been here, and I'm sort of like seeing eternity, sort of like passing by out there in the universe. And I thought, actually, I'm part of eternity. And I'm moving with that. And I can never be destroyed or recreated. You know, I am part of all this. And I thought, whoa, this is profound, isn't it? You know, I've already just started the meditation and already I'm getting this kind of, you know, my mind's glowing kind of thing. And anyhow, I just thought, okay, just sort of back into it. And I thought, you know, a minute or so, or even less than a minute, I thought, so if I'm part of eternity and I'm just this individual here, I'm that drop in the ocean and of that bigger ocean. And that was just, whoa, again, it's just a very kind of, mind-blowing kind of connection with that eternity, or you call it divinity, or just being that oneness with it all. So, very, very kind of eye-opening and just reminding really that, you know, we're connected to every point in space and time. We're connected to everything and everyone, and we have all these answers within us. And yet, you know, we get distracted, we get pulled in all different directions, we forget how powerful, how beautiful, how awesome we really are. And so this is what this video is about, is to remind us, you know, again, that we have these abilities within us to be connected to everything. You know, we are everything, we're part of everything, we're in these patterns, these cycles, the whole grand organising design, which GOD is another way of looking at it. We have all these abilities. So we just need to be more mindful of it, and we can practice things like lucid dreaming and affirm to ourselves that we can lucid dream, and we can actually ask these questions. You know, all this information is available to us, and we can awaken within that dream. So I hope the example of eternity and connecting with that and really sort of like getting to feel what it's like to have that inner world, outer world, that micro, that macro, that as above, so below, all going on in the same kind of, like a big massive orchestra of the universe playing out, was pretty intense. And it's not the first time I've kind of experienced that, but the more you're aware of it, the more you can embody it, the more you can actually be with it, the more you can earn that and integrate that. So that is obviously my wish for you to be able to see these kinds of perspectives, to be able to embody this kind of wisdom, to be able to feel those experiences. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, any questions, any feedback. Please get in touch, and yeah, please do like, please do share, subscribe. That'd be awesome. Okay, lots of love, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao for now.